Welcome to Toyota Tennessee. This advanced manufacturing facility is home to over 300 highly skilled and dedicated employees who make aluminum engine blocks for every car, truck, and SUV that Toyota assembles in North America, as well as automatic transmission cases and housings. You might be wondering, what do these parts do and why are they important? Using a simple analogy, the engine block can be compared to your heart. It provides life and a stable base for transmitting power through the engine. The transmission can be compared to your legs. It keeps the vehicle moving forward as the gears shift. Transmission cases and housings keep this critical piece of the vehicle protected. The Toyota Tennessee plant has 450,000 square feet under roof on a 200-acre campus. Throughout our plant, our team works hand in hand with robots and other automated technology to drive Toyota quality and consistency. And at the core of our facility is the Toyota Production System, otherwise known as TPS. Our great team is highly skilled in the art of built-in quality and just-in-time delivery. Let's go inside and take a look.
To manufacture engine blocks and automatic transmission components, we use a high-pressure casting system. Everything starts with molten aluminum. Fun fact, liquid metal is poured into furnaces and stored at 1,500 degrees Fahrenheit until it's needed for production. Meanwhile, cast iron liners are loaded onto a power cart. Next, a robot places them inside the mold, or what we call a die. We have nearly 100 active dies within our facility, all of which are made and repaired by our team. Next, the die cast machine closes and locks under very high pressure. The machine's ladle dips into the molten metal and pours the metal into an injection sleeve. The aluminum is then pushed through the sleeve and into a die. The shape of the die forms the molten metal around the liners. After the aluminum has solidified, a robot removes the freshly minted block from the die. Excess material is removed, and the casting is cooled in a quench tank of water. Next, it is given an identification number and QR code. This allows us to quickly track any problems, ensuring the highest level of quality and traceability. The block is then conveyed to the finish cell, where rough edges are machined through a deburring process. Then it's time for inspection. Our team thoroughly examines each block to ensure compliance with Toyota's stringent quality standards. Finally, the block is transferred to a heat treat oven to relieve stress introduced during the high-pressure casting process. The block stays in the oven for 18.5 minutes at 545 degrees Fahrenheit. Final fun fact, Toyota Tennessee can produce 1.6 million engine blocks and 870,000 automatic transmission cases and housings each year. That's a lot of engine blocks and automatic transmission components. Toyota's success depends on continuous improvement and respect for people, the foundations of the Toyota way.
We hope you've enjoyed learning about our plant. At Toyota Tennessee, we are committed to delivering superior quality engine blocks, transmission cases, and housings for some of the most technologically advanced, reliable, and safe vehicles on the road today. Thanks for watching.